this is crazy happening. The walkie-talkie's going crazy. It's like making sounds. Hold up. Hello? What's gonna happen? I don't trust that. I do not trust that. Hold up. Isaac, can you hear me? Isaac, can you hear me? What the heck? Stop. Oh, I'm recording. I'm just gonna face down, okay? My cousin's here. I'm just gonna face like right here. Their feet, kinda. I can't show his face because he doesn't have a mask. He'll do a face reveal in when?
Maybe when like GTA 6 comes out or GTA 7. Never.
Alright. Oh, hello? Hello? Is anyone there? We got Asian Blue right here. What's up, guys? What's up? Did you guys hear that? Alright, you know what? I need you to take this. Did you hear that?
Yes.
What is that? No, I want to keep this.
One of the things are like Alexander going home.
Yeah. That happened before I started recording. Just keep it right there. Stay
It said
there.
Alexander going home, so I think this might be like
From school?
yeah, maybe.
I don't know what's happening. But we're gonna go inside my dad's room and just try to figure this out. Okay, come on, let's go.
Maybe it's the other walkie-talkie.
Maybe. Where'd you put it? Where'd you put the other
It's
walkie-talkie?
been missing for a while already.
Oh, hang on, guys.
Okay, so are you part of the glitches or are you just a substitute for the glitch creator? Because
Isaac, come on, we have to go inside right now.
I think it's Spanish or something. There's two people.
I think so, I don't know.
There's two people talking.
Alright, first thing. Alright, guys.
There was a teacher.
We gotta check something.
We got a teacher and this Spanish.
Give me it.
The girl?
Alright, we're gonna put this right here.
This is
I am
Sally
so
talking about?
Whoever you are, if you're a ghost, can you say something like this? R.
We should do Charlie. Soon.
Lord. Hello, who's this?
Because when I said if it was like a substitute for the glitch creator, it was like...
Alright, are you a substitute or my teacher, Miss Coleman?
Sounds like a young woman.
Alright, we gotta do something. Step... I think it's haunted. Step 1. We gotta figure out what the other walkie-talkie is. Step 2, we have to figure out who's talking.
It could be Sally.
And step 3, we have to be safe.
Sure, that sounds like that.
That's all the steps. Alright. Put this in your pocket.
Do you know anybody Alexander? Because I know Alexander. But
I know
my teachers and
there's someone in my class called Alex. Alright, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Step 1, find a walkie-talkie. So let's do that.
The school usually closes at 6.
You know what? First, you do step 2. That's step 1 now. Figure out who's talking. Do we know? Wait, what was the walkie? All right. Where did you last?
Area confirmed.
What did you last leave the walkie-talkie or have it at before it was gone?
Well, we have a red one and a green one right now, but the other green one is...
You see it? I don't see it on there. All right. Step 2 is now step 1. Figure out who's talking first. Then we can find out what. What? Guys, there it is. Wait, we don't want to get too close to it.
Mom's dead.
Then, wait, was it there before?
I put it there though.
So was this your plan the whole time?
Could
I
be
will
Shota.
face review you.
It could be
now.
Shota. I don't know.
Do not make me face review.
You know Shota? Part
Oh.
of the 4 of the series.
Okay, I'm gonna grab it.
Type number 2 has a bunch of plans going on. So type number 1 is sticking over right now.
We're gonna put these here. Give me
How
that.
about we just put both of them together?
Isaac, I'm gonna need to record. I need you to record too. Get your tablet and record.
Area confirmed. Fire in the hole, water on the hill, rock on the ground, kids at the basement, bees in the hut.
Isaac, I need you to record right now. My God, I need you to record, okay? I'm gonna put this away.
Sounds like a girl, right?
Yeah, it does sound like a girl.
What girls do I know that? The office lady in our school, the office, you know? Office girl?
Yeah, Isaac, record right now. I'll clean up, okay? Is there anything on the ground?
I should see. But
Isaac, I need...
it keeps doing that. It just keeps... It's like...
When I first heard it, it was like that when I first heard it. Guys, this just creeped me out a little bit.
No way, it's probably just shouting. Sounds like a radio, so it's far away. Because when you were playing with them...
Wait, if the radio's far away, how are we hearing it? Isaac, I need you to take... Isaac, I need you to hold it like... I need you to hold it like this and take it. And put it on my bedroom, okay? Both of them. Put it on my bed. Alright, guys. I gotta figure this out fast. If we don't figure this out, something bad's gonna happen. What? I don't know what's happening. Something weird's happening to my Reddit. Come on. Oh, that was Isaac. Isaac, come here, quick, come here. Hurry, hurry. It said someone else is going home.
What is your name?
Oh no, I forgot the name.
Alexander. You know what it starts with? Does it start with a B or an H?
Isaac, record. Blah 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 blah.
Did I send it? I did.
It's giving me the creeps, man. It's giving me the creeps. I'm gonna hold this up right here.
Not that
See
big.
if anything
It's probably just like someone else has a walkie-talkie and they're just...
Give me the creep. That's giving me the creep. Hello, this is Walkie Talkie 2 to Walkie Talkie 3 or 4 or radio. Can you hear us? Repeat. Do it. Hello, this is Walkie Talkie 1 to Walkie Talkie 4, aka 3. Can you hear us? Repeat. We're at aka GTA5.com. Accept. I'm just doing some model. Here, hold the camera. The camera. You're gonna be the cameraman, okay? Alright. I'm gonna put this in my pocket.
Already been 10 minutes. It doesn't even feel that much. It felt like 3 minutes.
Alright. Come on.
10?
Alright, Isaac, come on, let's go. Come on, follow me. I have the walkie-talkie.
Maybe we stay here because it's been going on outside, and I don't know if it will go on inside out now.
Come on, Isaac. You're the cameraman. You have to follow me. You trust me?
The glitch period doesn't pay me enough.
There it goes again. This thing is sussy.
Sussy baka.
Sussy baka. HA1 and HA2. Repeat. We're no longer at GTA SEA for Sin. We're now at Jesse's or something.
I'm gonna pause this.
Hello, this is Walkie Talkie 1 to Walkie Talkie 5. We're at GTA.com ACA 1K. And we were at 1K ACA GTA Flower.
What did you just
Accept.
say? Shouldn't it be streets like something? I don't know. Let's just.
Your mom didn't tell Grandpa. Because
I'm gonna keep this thing on so you guys can hear. I'm gonna put it. Where is this? I'm just gonna put it right here.
come on, let's go clean stuff up.
And we're gonna go clean.
Guys, we're back. This is gonna end the end of the video.
I've been recording for too long.
Yeah. And Isaac, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video. Isaac, fist it. Like it's.